Okay, and that height agency. This is Christmas tree. Will be there. Christmas will be at Namche Bazzar, right? We'll just explore over there. Taxi, they are waiting for the luggage. One for airport, one for another destination, right? And they are hununcha. म चाहिँ क्लाइन्टलाई कुर्दै बसेको आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ उहाँ फाइनली दे आर रेडी फर लुक्ला एयरपोर्ट हाउ आर यु प्रिया great okay we did a final check final boarding pass and we are heading for Lukla. We landed at Lukla Airport, Tanjung Hilary Airport. It's 9. Weather is pretty clear, right? Ekdamai clear छ weather. How was the flight?
Wonderful landing.
Okay. Yeah, weather is. We can see a blue sky. Yeah, that's the good thing. We did our breakfast. Now it's nearly 10:30. We are heading for Fogding. We'll just click lots more video and photo. We
Landing at Lukla Airport.
one of the best landing. You know. Okay. Tasidale.
How much is this?
We are here at Pasanglam checkpost, Lukla tourist checkpost, and here is SPCC office, Sagarmatha Pollution Control Community Tourist Information Center, Lukla. We are checking over here. Then after a few minutes we'll check out. We hike about 1 hour. Probably we are here at Chauri Kharka village. This is Chauri Kharka. Yeah, it's like blue sky. Yeah, blue sky. You can see a blue sky over there. Weather is perfect because the guy from Bangalore, they are here. That's why the weather is crystal clear. Way good, great. Homemade football. Okay. Another Pele, Ronaldo, Messi. को कसले चिन्छ? कसको फ्यान हो तिमी भन त? मेसी, रोनाल्डो मेसी. अनि पेले को चाहिँ पेले हो त? पेलेले चाहिँ पेम्बा. Okay. Prasad, how are you? How are you feeling today?
Fantastic experience.
Fantastic experience. Good food. Good food with noodle soup. We get a double energy and we just laugh triple and walk double. Like that? Okay, great. We'll be here at Sherpa Guide, yeah? This is room. यस्तो छ यहाँको रुम चाहिँ क्लीन छ, क्लियर छ with तपाईको के भन्छ त यो पार्टिसनलाई? Here is toilet, attached bathroom. They will charge 2000 for attached room, 2000, 2500. अब तपाईको 1000 रुपैयाँ त्यस्तै गरेर लिन्छ. उहाँ चाहिँ दाइ हाम्रो।
नमस्ते।
नमस्ते दाइ, अनि के छ खबर?
ठिकठाक छ।
आज तपाईको हामी कता जान्छौँ त?
आज हाम्रो आजको क्याम्प जोरसलले।
We'll just heading for Jorsalle. Normally just to trekker, they are just went for Namche को लागि नै जान्छ हैन दाइ प्राय चाहिँ।
हजुर।
Somehow we are doing a luxury trip है, हाम्रो फ्यामिली ग्रुप छ, त्यही भएर हामी जोरसल्लेमा जान्छौँ। Even we did our breakfast सक्यो, ब्रेकफास्ट सकिएर चाहिँ अब प्याकिङ हुँदैछ। Probably we'll just move on 10 तिरै मुभ हुन्छ होला दाइ है हामी। This is the corridor of Hello, how are you?
Good morning.
You did your packing?
Yes. One
Great.
lesson learned is we have to allocate at least 30 to 45 minutes for packing.
Okay, from tomorrow, yeah, we'll just do that, yeah. Once the thing is nearly ready, then BJ will just do the things and he will just wrap it out.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine?
Yeah.
Okay. BJ that boy. Anything like you did separated, yeah, for the like things.
Yes.
Okay, BJ that he will just collect it, and he will just tie it. Hey man. Okay. How are you? You fine? Great. Okay. Are you ready for rock and roll?
Yes.
Okay. How was your yesterday hike? It's very nice. Okay. विजय दाइले चाहिँ प्याकको लागि गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ। ल ठीक छ दाइ है त। Okay. I'm just going for the kitchen है। किचनको लागि यस्तो छ। This is one of the finest hotel in Fakding है। तपाईहरु आउनुहुन्छ भने चाहिँ यहाँ दिदी हुनुहुन्छ, दाइ नै हुनुहुन्छ है। दिदी दाइ हुनुहुन्छ। दिदी नमस्ते दिदी। हजुर तपाईहरु अब तपाईको लाइक एभरेजको लागि आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ भने फाक्दिङमा आउनु। शेर्पा गाइड वान अफ द फाइनेस्ट होटल ओभर हियर इन फाक्दिङ है। दिदीको एकदमै दामी छ हस्पिटालिटी है। यहाँ यसो तपाईको किचन देखाइदिए दिदी है मैले। दिस इज द शेर्पा गाइड किचन है। किचन एकदम क्लिन छ, हाइजिनिक छ है। तपाईहरु आउनुहुन्छ भने यहाँ आउनुहोस्। दिदीले लाइक दे विल सर्भ यु बेटर थिङ है। दिस इज शेर्पा किचन, शेर्पा गाइड लजको चाहिँ तपाईको यो डाइनिङ हल हो है। विजय दाइ के छ त अनि? ठिक छ नि? ठिक छ। अब कता जान्छौँ त हामी? उता जान्छौँ। उता गइसकेपछि तपाईको यो हामी अलि माथि पुगिसकेपछि टोकटोक पुग्ने हैन? देन आफ्टर विल बी एट टोकटोकबाट उता कता छ दाइ? ब्याङ्कर पुगिसकेपछि ब्याङ्करबाट अलि उता हुन्छ कि यता हुन्छ है। विल जस्ट ह्याभ लन्च है। आज चाहिँ दाल भात मजाले खानुपर्छ दाइ है। अरू त त्यस्तै हो। ओके, हाउ आर यु प्रिया म्याम? Yes. Till now. Hopefully, our experience will increase double. Mountain volleyball tournament is going on. Oh. The check is blocked by the opponent team. Okay, we'll just see a good spike. Oh, again.
Lukla Torregister, Lukla yang please kurma ayat pada tur apa nama supervisor ini untuk Bazzar, Bazzar.
Hey man, what's up? You are enjoying a hike?
Yes.
Great.
Weather is too cold today.
After lunch, it's a bit chilly cold, yeah? Okay, we are here at Sagarmatha National Park Ticket Counter Center. यहाँ चाहिँ यो चाहिँ टिकट काउन्टर सेन्टर सगरमाथा नेशनल पार्क इन्ट्री मेन इन्ट्रान्स गेट है। यहाँबाट चाहिँ तपाईले विदाउट टिकट प्लस विदाउट पर्मिट यु क्यान गेट इन है। यहाँबाट भित्र जान सक्नुहुन्न हैन। यो चाहिँ तपाईको फाक्दिङबाट मन्जुको फाइनल गेट है। From here you have to issue a ticket and permit. We just already check in our passport, then we just issue a ticket for Sagarmatha Conservation Area, then just we are heading on our destination. Jorsalle, how are you, man?
It's good, but I also noticed, in the fact sheet, they mentioned there are some wild animals, like snow leopard, deer, panda.
Yeah.
So how often people encounter this?
We are at our camp today. We did a long hike from, we did about to Fakding. Yeah, we did like 5 to 7 kilometers. Yeah. The champ is here. He is the champion of today. Yeah. Okay. Cheers.
He finished maybe 4 hours.
Yeah, he is the champ. I think he will just do a Mount Everest soon. Okay, I'll just figure it out, yeah? How was the thing goes on. The room, finally, we are checking the room. This is the room, yeah? This is the cozy one, yeah? It's bed one, yeah? This is the hotel we are going to stay tonight, eh? Yes,
there's a river here, right?
Yeah, you can see the river here. Hey man, what's up? You are okay? Yeah, he is the man today. This man and this champ. They are doing, we just take 5 hours, like 7 hours, they just finish it within 3 hours. They are doing a double hike. Okay. Good morning, it's 8:30. We start our hike. It's probably 30 minutes we hike. After 30 minutes, we'll be at High Bridge. We are at High Bridge. We are going to cross this bridge, yeah? Okay. This is High Bridge. We are going to crossing this bridge, yeah? Prasad, hey man, what's up? You are busy with the video. Okay. Probably after 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we'll just see Her Majesty, the Mount Everest. Woo. कहाँबाट आउनु भएको त हजुर? कताबाट आउनु भएको? छुमुवाबाट। कति केजी छ तपाईको भारी? 70 केजी। ओ माय गॉड। 70 केजी। आज कहाँ पुग्ने हो नि दाइ हजुर? नाम्चे पुगेर फेरि छुमुवा? Oh, what he is talking that he is from Chumua. Last time when we had our lunch above that place where we just give a chocolate to kid.
Yeah.
From that point, he just for Namche and he will just back to same place for today.
Very fast.
trekkers, they are on the way to Namche Bazzar. It's 11 AM. We are here at Dara with the elevation of 3140 meters. Yeah, from here, view Everest view majesty 8848 meters. But due to our clouds, yeah, we can't see properly. Hopefully tomorrow morning we'll just see. The man, the big man was busy with the video. The champ already here before half hour, and our main hero and the ma'am, she is now before 2 days she got some problem on her leg, like blister. Now it's fine. Yeah. Now it's fine. Yesterday we did a little workout with her shoes. Now it's fine. We'll just wait. We'll just stop over here like 5-10 minutes. Then we'll just heading to Namche.
Say Namche?
Namche.
Bazzar.
Namche Bazzar.
1 day free.
1 day free.
It's a Preetham favorite dance.
Celebrate Christmas.
Okay, we are here at Namche. This is Namche Bazzar. We're going to stay here at Kumbulaj. Five or 7 years before, I was staying here. Yeah, we made it. Finally, we made it. हजुर चाहिँ अघि फोनमा कुरा भएको. Okay, it's me Sujit Tamang है. ल, okay. Hello, Chem, how are you? What did you had? Nothing. Just juice. Oh no. Okay. दादा हजुरको नाम निमा. अनि यहाँको दाइ भाउजूहरु सबै काठमाडौँ. अनि हामीलाई खाना पाक्छ पाक्दैन? पाक्छ नि है. दाल भात डर्रो दबाउनु पर्यो. यस्तो भोक लागिरहेछ कि मलाई त हैन. ओके. That's the Kungde. Yeah. Finally you did it, yeah. Okay. Just okay. Okay. Finally we all are here. Yeah, we made it. Yeah, that's the good thing. Yeah. Okay, we'll have our lunch. Then we'll just rest.
Long-awaited lunch.
Yeah, long-awaited lunch. Okay, Prasad and me, we are going for a room. Okay, Namche. This is family room, yeah. This is family room. Here is toilet. This is toilet. Have a look. And we do have another option also. This is family room. Okay, next. Keep on going. Okay, just follow me, yeah. I think I just recommend this one, yeah? What do you wish, yeah?
So it is towards the wall.
Today is our rest day as well as acclimatization day and a Namche exploring day. We are not going to hike lots much. We'll just today is easy hike. We are heading for Namche viewpoint. Then we'll just explore the viewpoint. Then after we'll just explore Namche Museum. Then we'll have lunch. Then again we'll just get a rest day. Then after evening our program to explore that monastery. This is it for today. We are entering the Namche National Park viewpoint. Sagarmatha National Park headquarters, visitor center and Everest viewpoint. We'll just explore, yeah. Then after we're just going to explore the Namche Museum, Everest Museum. Then after we'll just back to our lodge. This is for today. Today there is no rush, no need to worry to walk long, yeah. That's the thing for today. This is it. Okay, it's nearly 12 noon. We are here at Namche viewpoint, army headquarters. Okay, also the big black rock, that's the Kumbila, Mount Kumbila, and we can't see properly. The small house, the tea house. From that we'll have to move a little further up. Then you will be at Everest View Hotel, and there's another mountain, Cholache, and the Everest is going to that's the Everest one. Lotse, Olympic range, Olympic, Mount Amadablang, Tangcherpu, and Kusum Kangaroo. That's it from here. We'll just stay about 5-10 minutes or 15 minutes here. We are at viewpoint here. Hello, Vijay, how are you?
Fine.
Fine, great.
Yes.
You enjoy the trip? Great. Hello, the big man of our crew team.
Fat man.
Not a fat man, yeah. How do you feel and how was your experience?
That was, truly it's a great experience. We enjoyed every moment of starting from Lukla to Namche. We enjoyed, although it was some trail was very tough. We enjoyed, and last 2 days, it's like our second home, Namche Bazzar. So almost living there and eating everything at Namche is pretty good. And this yesterday trekking and today trekking is very special. We have seen the majestic Mount Everest from far. Definitely, we aim to get closer to majestic in the coming years.
Yeah. Okay, great. Today we'll be at mountain. We'll be at Namche. Then tomorrow morning we'll just have a chopper ride to Lukla. It's fine. Oh, sorry. Hello, Priya ma'am. How are you? How you feel?
Very nice. This is the last trekking day.
This is our last day in the mountain, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Huh?
You enjoy a lot?
Yes.
That's the thing. Now it's like 7 AM in the morning. I'm little bit above from Namche Bazzar and in between Everest View Hotel and Namche Bazzar. That's the Kunderi, Kungde, Mount Kungde. Okay, I'll just show you the Namche Bazzar. Yeah? This is Namche Bazzar. Okay, guys. हाम्रो टिम चाहिँ अहिले we are at helipad है. हेलीको लागि कुर्दै छौं. हेली आउँदै छ अरे. Yeah. Today we are going to experience a chopper ride. This is my first time from Namche to Lukla. It might take about 5 or 10 minutes probably. Prasad, finally have a safe flight.
Yeah, sure.
It was a great time to meet you here.
No, you made the trip fantastic.
Okay.
Very nice experience. I think I wish you all the very best to take Mercy to the next level.
Okay, I'll just do. Okay, take care. Have a good time. Bye. Bye.